Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is the table below shows which of three human enzymes G, AD and H were present in each of 5 mouse human hybrid cell lines, which human chromosome carries which enzyme gene. And I'm not going to explain today the theory how mice human hybrid cells are produced. I already did it in my previous video that I uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to provide a link to that video. And today we have more advanced problems, so if you didn't see my previous video, please follow the link and watch that video first. So basically now we have 5 cell lines, so here's the names of the cell lines, and different number of human chromosomes are present and different number of enzymes are produced, and in one cell line these human chromosomes are present, none of the product, and this is proteins, enzymes are proteins, are not produced. That means that none of these chromosomes carry gene for any of these 3 enzymes. So what we can do, we can exclude all these chromosomes. So we know for sure that chromosome number 1 doesn't carry any gene, so we can exclude chromosome number 2, and we can exclude where we see this chromosome number 3, and chromosome number 12, and chromosome 20. So we also can cross 12 here, and 20. So now what we left with? We have, for example, cell line D with only 2 chromosomes left. So this enzyme can be whether on the chromosome number 5 or 14. We also have this enzyme in cell line A. Here it is, and we have both chromosome number 5 and number 14. So so far it doesn't help us to find on which of the chromosomes this enzyme. So let's pay attention to cell line E and cell line B. Both of these cell lines produce enzyme GH and GH here. So let's compare. For example, cell line E has chromosome number 5, and cell line B doesn't have this chromosome. So that means that this enzyme is not on the chromosome number 5, because otherwise, if any of these enzymes would be on the chromosome number 5, if it would miss, we also would miss any of these enzymes. So we can exclude chromosome number 5. It doesn't carry no gene for production of the enzyme G, nor for production enzyme H. Now let's compare, for example, chromosome number 9. It was present in both cell lines. We cannot exclude it, but what for the chromosome number 10? And actually we can exclude it because it's present in cell line E, but it's absent in cell line B, and still cell line B can produce both product G and H. And the same is true for the chromosome number 15. It is present in the cell line E, but it's absent in cell line B, and still the cell line can produce both these enzymes. So we know that these 2 enzymes doesn't have genes on the chromosome 15. So we can exclude this chromosome. So we now left with only, as you see, 1 chromosome here, and still we have 2 products that produced 2 enzymes. That means that on this chromosome we have both genes. for the enzyme G, let's say this is going to be a blue color, and for the enzyme H, so let's say this is yellow color. So both these enzymes would be on the chromosome number 9. So we can also put the same colors here, and yellow for H. And we exclude chromosome number 11 here. We know that it doesn't has these genes because it is absent in this cell line, and still we see these products here. So now we basically left with cell line D and cell line A. And we also can put colors for enzyme G. We know that it is on the chromosome number 9, and for the enzyme H, we also know that it is on the chromosome number 9. What we can say about chromosome number 5, we know that when it was present in this cell line, we do not have here enzyme AD, and we already have found that chromosome number 9 has both these genes. So we can exclude it here. None of the enzymes are present on the chromosome, or genes are present on the chromosome number 5. So let's exclude it, and we're left with basically chromosome number 14 and 21. We have this enzyme here, whether on the chromosome 14 or 21. And in cell line D, we have also this enzyme present, and we have number 5. By the way, we also can exclude this. So we, as you see, have only one chromosome left, and this is going to be chromosome number 14 that contains enzyme AD. And we can exclude chromosome 21 because this chromosome is not present in cell line D, but still cell line D has this enzyme. So we know that this is not on the gene is not on the chromosome 21. So basically we have two genes here, so two chromosomes. Chromosome number 14 that has gene for the enzyme AT, and we have found another chromosome number 9 that both contains genes for the enzyme G and H. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.